Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Sorry it's so dark. Took me all day to get to this project. Not to do it, just to get to it. But show you what I decided to do here. Notice a hole there in the panel. I decided to take, before I put the panel back in after our trailer brake repair, I decided to install one of these little switch panel, or one of these little panels. It's not a switch panel. It's got a voltmeter. It's got a 12 volt lighter socket. I wouldn't recommend putting a lighter in it though. No, just for accessories. But and it's also got a USB outlet, and it's got a switch on it, but it didn't come with the center, the reset. It did not come with a circuit breaker. I put one in the center, so I got it set up for 10 amps, and I think that's plenty. Alright, if I find it blows and pops real easily, I can always swap that real easily. So anyway, let me get it hooked up in here. Like so. And we'll bring you back. So hang on. Finish this video for you instead of doing the rest of it last night because it was getting pretty dark. But anyway, we got our power panel put in there. All done. Let's see if we can bring you in there so you can see her a little better. Hang on. I gotta tip you down. There you go. That's the power panel we put in. And there's the voltmeter reading 13.1. And here's the USB panel. Maybe you could see that a little better. I don't know. I'll bring you up just a little bit more. Oops, sorry about that. Alright. And then here's the 12 volt outlet. Alright, let's plug something in like I was saying there. Got me a little power inverter here. Alright. And we got more USBs on this. And we got the 110 or 120. But here you go. Now let's plug in a little extension cord. And then let's plug in our work light. So I can have a household light. Ooh, that's blinding. I can have a household light that's hang on there, I'll bring you. So I can have like the work light working on the rig, any rig. Or if I just want to hang it on the tailgate. Or hang it up. Whatever you want to do. But there you go, that's what we got. You can run any little small household appliances right off that. And no problem. Pretty neat, pretty neat, pretty neat. Yeah, that's a lot better. Let's see if you can still see. Now you can't. Sorry about that. That's a lot better than trying to run a cord all the way from the front. Now we got one in the front and one in the back. And when you're done with it, shut it off. No problem. Cool. And if it did get left on, it barely pulls any power. I tested it, and it doesn't even pull an amp with nothing plugged in. you know, when it's just all your sockets are blank. So there you go, guys. That's what we made. Well, not made. Put in. Works good. And I just put this little trouble light back here. And whenever we need it, it's there. We'll hope we don't need it, but except for like when we're just sitting outside. But there we go. That's what I did to the Jeep. Now I can go ahead and bring it back here. Now I can go ahead and put all the bolts and stuff back in. And when I'm done, the spare tire can go back in there and it will not interfere with that power panel at all. It'll be perfect. Alright guys, that's what we did though. All done. And it works great. It was 16 bucks for the panel. And I just wired it with some wire I had. Some good wire instead of that stuff that you could get these wired what do you call it? There is a loom that comes with them, like I was saying, but I wanted to put good wire in there. Yeah. All right. Thanks for joining me, guys. Thumbs up. Love y'all. Bye-bye.